Hello everyone, quick video for today. Made 2 trades so far. Let's see what I traded. I screwed up here on Tesla, but it might have worked out. I haven't went back and looked at the chart. Bought 2 contracts, and I meant to sell one right here for about 10% win, and I accidentally sold both. I know it did pull back shortly after that, but I don't know if it ever went higher, so we'll take a look at it. But I bought calls right at 10 o'clock on Tesla. Let's go over and take a look at Tesla. Come on. Yeah, it looks like it would have went quite a bit higher. So I got in at 10 o'clock. Right about here. I actually got in right here on this candle, right at 10 o'clock exactly, 10 o'clock and 48 seconds. So got in here, broke above this pivot point, high of day pivot point. So that was my entry. Got out at 10:03 on that same candle. Didn't mean to. Meant to just sell the one, like I said. So actually, I kind of got out at the high of this peak. So actually, I probably would have stopped out if I wouldn't have sold both of them. I probably would have stopped out the second one at break even. So I guess it benefited me. It worked out for me that I accidentally sold both. Not real sure how that happened, but I thought I dropped at the one contract just to sell the one, but apparently I didn't do it or missed a click or something. Something happened, but either way, it worked out. I guess I'm glad that it did work out that way. It was like 9.5% win on that one. So that was good. And then I got in Netflix calls at 10:29. Netflix. Got in right here. 10:29. Got in just a little bit early. And both these trades were called out in the ramped up trading chat room. So again, I'm not going to take credit for something I didn't, it wasn't my find. They were called out. Got in at 10:29, which was just at the close of this candle. Just broke above this resistance level, and then it kind of fluttered, fell down a little bit, consolidated here. Didn't do a whole lot. So it took some patience. I was in this trade for what was it, an hour and 5 minutes. So I sold at 11:34. I believe it was right here. Yeah. Sold it shortly after this candle opened, and I definitely got out too early on that one. Sold it here, and you see it went up to actually pulled over here. So I got in at let's see, what was it again? 10:29 and out at 11:34. So 10:29 was right about here, and I got out at 11:34, which was shortly after this candle opened. Sold it at what I said, $1.89. Yeah, $1.89. And you see it went all the way up to over $3. So yeah, I left a lot on the table with that one, but it happens. So that's all I've got into today so far. And I only got one contract on the Netflix. I wish I would have went two. I bought one with intentions of maybe adding, but I never did get around to adding on that. I didn't. Um, I don't know. I just didn't do it. So, but it still worked out. I mean, $59. You know, what was the percentage on that last trade? 189 minus 164. Yeah, 15% on that trade. So hey, can't complain about 15%. I'm on I think a 4, maybe 5 trade winning streak again here. I think I had a 6 trade win streak, and then I had a loser, and now I'm on about a 5 trade win streak. Uh, Definitely got to give credit to Ramped Up Trading on this. Yeah, they're calling out some really good trades. You know, I know they held. I know I followed Rock on Netflix. I know he sold some about the same time. Actually, it was Tesla. He sold some at the same time I sold mine, and then it pulled back, and I think he sold the rest of his at about the same price I sold mine originally. So I don't know what contracts he was trading, but I know about what price he got in and out at. And, I'm sure he was trading more contracts than I was, but he got out at about the same level as I did. Netflix, I know he held that longer. I think he sold some when I did, and he held the rest longer. So he got quite a bit more percentage. So yeah, can't complain. $59 profit for one day on what I risk. 178 times 2 plus 164. So I went in for 520 and I took out 59. So that's better than 10%. And I didn't risk 520. That's how much I spent to get in the trades. So you figure with a $525 account, you could have made $59 in one day. My commissions on that $59 today. Let's see, traded 3 contracts total. I paid 75% or 75 cents. 225 in and 225 out. $4.50 in fees today. So I cleared what, 54.50. Cleared 54.50 on a $520 worth of trading. Now, like I said, I didn't risk 520. That's how much I used to go in. I was probably only risking maybe 100. Now it doesn't sound like a great risk reward, $100 to make 59. But as of right now, I'm at what, about 10 wins and 1 loss in the last 4 trading days, 5 trading days, something like that. So, when you're winning 90% of the time, I still want to get those odds better. I still don't like 2 to 1, risking 100 to make 50, but or to make 60. But I'm still working on trying to extend those wins a little bit, stretch them a little bit longer, a little bit bigger wins. But I got 9.5%, and what did I say, 14.5 or something on the Netflix. So you can't complain about that. So that's it for this video. I actually had a request on my Twitter page from one of my followers wanting, asking about how I set my charts up. So I'm going to go ahead and do another video, probably do a couple of videos on how I set my charts up. And so if you're interested in that, you use Thinkorswim, and what I'm going to focus on is how I set up this page here, and also this page here. I have a second monitor. I have this page, and really I use the same indicators on all of them. So I'm going to focus on how I set these two up, and it'll probably take a couple different videos to do it, because I don't want to have a 30-40 minute long video. So that's it for this video. But if you're interested in how I set my charts up, watch for the next videos, and I'll walk you through it. And if you have any questions, or if I go over something too fast and you're kind of confused about it or whatever, put it in the comment section, and I'll go back over it. So thanks for watching, and talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.